and chefettes. Oh,
What's up, YouTube? Sorry I'm late.
always late.
I had to catch the A train. I was catching the A train at Berwick Junction.
Just like that.
Because I'm from New York. Back with another video.
Baby!
Oh,
What happened?
shit. We ain't do,
Oh, guys. 'Cause you know.
On three.
1, 2, 3.
Back with another video, baby! What's up, New York City? Today we got a special New York treat for all our faithful subscribers, lovely family, and friends.
Yes.
Want to tell them what we chefing up today? Yo, let me get bacon and cheese.
Guys, we making some chopped cheese today.
You heard?
Some New York style chopped cheese for you guys.
Y'all probably like, what the hell is a chopped cheese? But yo, I know what a chopped cheese is because we from New York and I'm in the bodega about to get my chopped cheese on. So, yo guys, you want to know what chopped cheese is? Stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and comment below because when we come back, it's about to go down. I'm from New York.
Hey, Chef and Chefettes. We are back, guys. Guys, first I want to say thank you for staying tuned with us. Those who are new, welcome to our channel. Subscribe, like, stay tuned because we always got good things in store for you guys, all right? Those who are family, guys, thank you for keeping up and hanging with us. Guys, so we are jumping right into ingredients for our New York chopped cheese, all right?
All right, hurry up.
So,
I'm hungry,
you hungry?
I got the munchies.
Yo, wait in line. Wait in line.
Let me get a tropical fantasy
All right,
too.
All right.
Let me get that blue.
You got your dollar? You got your dollar? Wait, just wait.
Nigga, it's
just
50,
wait.
it's 50 cents for a tropical fantasy.
Probably like back in 1988.
Let me get the blue. Let me get the blue.
Guys, we jumping right into this, all right?
Shit.
So normally in the deli, they don't use all these ingredients. They'll put like salt, pepper, and adobo, all right?
Excuse me.
What?
You yelling. Can you not use the Puerto Rican voice?
Oh, sorry, because I thought I was still in the deli.
No, you thought you was in Puerto Rico.
I thought I was still in the deli. I thought I was in the bodega.
Okay, Aki.
All right, so we got some black pepper. We got some sazon, all right, with culantro and achote. We got some all-purpose adobo. We have some onion powder and some garlic powder. For your chopped cheese, you're going to need some chopped ground meat, right?
Ground beef.
Yes.
Make sure you get the good one with the fat too. Not that lean stuff.
Ooh, bite your tongue.
Not that 95, 91. Now you need that good one, that 80-20 or that 75-25. Get the one with the fat.
Guys, you need yourself some hero rolls, or if you want some round rolls, you can get that too. We have some hero rolls. Some people known it as hoagies. That's fine too. We have some cheddar cheese. We have some lettuce, some tomato, and onion, guys, and that's all you need. Watch the next step, so stay tuned.
Alright, B, so I'm back with the next step, homeboy. So what we about to do right now, you heard? I put the ground beef on the stove, about to cook that up for a little bit. Come close, let me show you what we doing, homie.
Hi, son.
Don't interrupt my scene, B. You know what I mean? I'm from Brooklyn.
Alright.
Don't be interrupting my scene.
My bad.
Come close. Dog, homeboy, homie. Alright, so I put the ground beef on the stove. I'm cooking the ground beef for a little bit. Take a little bit of onion powder. Now, bro, this ain't even open. Come on, son. Come on. Take a little bit of onion powder. We're going to throw a little bit of this in here. Just a little bit of that. You know what I mean? Let me take some garlic powder. Y'all follow me?
Got you.
You did. Throw a little bit of garlic powder in there. Little black pepper, you know what I mean? You're gonna need the black pepper. You want that spice up in your New York style chopped cheese. Feel me?
Smells mad good.
Look, don't be interrupting my scene, homeboy. You know what I mean?
I'm a girl.
Homie.
I'm a girl.
Yo, we don't play around, man. Don't be disrespecting my scene. You set tripping up in here. Set tripping. Shit. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Come on. Made me mess up where I was at. You don't need the adobo, but you know what I mean? We want that little Spanish flavor in there. So we put a little adobo in there. Just a little bit, you know what I mean? When you in the deli, you in the bodega with Ock and Poppy and them. They don't be measuring nothing. They just do a little this, little that, you know what I mean?
Papi.
Yo, hey.
Can we see what you're doing?
Que la vaina. Yo, don't be interrupting my scene.
Can you move over a little bit, Papi?
Next you're gonna take this adobo. Just a little bit of this, cause this thing's salty as hell. You know? This shit's salty. So just a little bit of that adobo. When you go to bodega, all they do is throw a little bit of this. They walk right to the shelf, throw a little adobo in there, and call it a day. But you watching our video, so we showing you how to make it our way. Yo, if you like our video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on all your post notifications. A little bit of sazon. This thing's smelling good. Come closer. So we threw all them seasoning in there. Like I said, you go to the bodega, all they putting is this adobo, but we putting all that extra good stuff.
Look good.
Guys, last you're gonna throw your onions up in there. That's it. You throw your onions up in there, you're gonna cook this for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all the next step.
Guys, the meat is done. Alright? We have everything here. It looks and smells so banging. I'm about to put the cheese on the meat, guys. It's nice and hot. It's gonna melt right on. Oh my god. I'm not gonna even tell you guys that I'm hungry, because I'm not even hungry, because somebody's gonna make fun of me.
Not me.
It's always you. Guys, oh my god. Look how good that looks. That looks banging.
Sure it does.
You hungry?
Nope, I'm fine.
You hungry.
Okay. If you say so.
You always hungry.
Totally.
Alright, so we're gonna take this and put it on our sandwich. Ooh, let's hope I don't make a mess.
Here comes the hard part.
Oh my gosh.
If that falls, I don't want it.
That's it. Leave. That's it. That's it. I say that's it.
Yeah, here comes the struggle, guys. Cheese is melting on that chopped cheese.
Oh my god, so banging.
AKA ground beef. You know what?
Guys, you know, if you don't have ground beef and you have a burger, right? You can take your burger and chop it up and put it right on
E for effort.
Aw, it's still banging.
Yeah, E for effort.
Still banging. So banging. Let's do the other one.
We're just gonna come close and watch you.
Look at all the onions. You see the onions on the bottom? You can't grab all that meat. That meat is ridiculous. That meat is, ooh. You know what that means? That means I just got enough meat for another sandwich. Another sandwich. Look how that's melting. You see that? Say you ain't hungry. I wish you would. I wish you would. Guys, I'm a.
So what are you doing? Can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm putting lettuce on this thing, and I'm gonna F this up. Lettuce, and then we're gonna put some tomatoes on this, guys. And that's it. All we do is tomatoes and lettuce. Push it together, smash it together, and then you tear it up, guys. And that's it. What's up, New Yorkers?
Yo, New York posse. The chopped cheese is done. I finessed it.
Y'all see this? This thing right here, though.
Thumbnail. Thumbnail. One more.
Really? always hungry. You like that? Guys, make these chopped cheese.
Make this chopped cheese.
Don't go to the bodega. Save you some money and make these in your house. Make it for your kids.
Make them.
Make it for your man. Make it for your wife. Make these chopped cheese.
All right.
What you making faces? Oh, your mouth full. You can't talk.
Guys, that's it. Make the damn chopped cheese. And
We are out.